Event number 2, please go to the ready bench now. Get ready. And so with event number 3, 4, and 5, and 6. Go to the ready bench now.
Events 2 to 6, according to Coach Susan Papa, please proceed to the ready bench right now. Events 2 to 6, please proceed to the ready bench right now. Events 2 to 6, again to all the swimmers, please pinapatawag na po kayo dyan sa may marshalling area. Once again, swimmers for events 2 to 6, punta na po kayo sa marshalling area. Salamat po. We repeat, swimmers for events 2 to 6, please proceed to the marshalling area right now.
Check, check. Check.
We repeat, swimmers for events 2 to 6, please get ready sa may marshalling area.